The background app refresh is a feature that allows apps to continue to update even when they're not in use. This can be helpful for some apps, like email and messaging apps, but it can also drain your battery. In this video, I'll show you how to disable background app refresh for all of your apps, or just for individual apps on your iPhone 14 Pro. To disable background app refresh for all apps, follow these steps. Open the Settings app and then tap on General. Tap on Background app refresh and then touch the Background app refresh option at the top. On the next screen, select Off from the options. This will immediately disable all background app refresh on your device. However, if you want to disable background app refresh for individual apps, this is how it's done. Under the General screen, tap on Background app refresh. Look for the app that you want to disable background app refresh for. Toggle the switch to the off position to disable the background app refresh for that specific app. And that's it. That's how to disable background app refresh on your iPhone 14 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks.